I purchased a wood stove combustor or catalytic converter from Midwest Hearth. It is a wood stove combustor, and it has I'll be placing it into the chimney unit that will be placed on top of the wood stove. Okay, this is the chimney unit, and it has, now I've placed the wood combustor into it here, and it fits snugly in there. It's actually so snug that it won't come out now. And this will be fitted so that it is on top of the wood stove, so the heat will rise through this. You get hot in here, and then that will burn the extra all of the extra soot and stuff as it goes through it. It heats up and burns that. That's the catalytic converter part of it. Okay, now it's been connected and put into here. So now it's set up so that it can't fall out, and it will go through the chimney, and that will be installed on top of the existing chimney. Okay, now this has been installed onto the wood burner. It goes all the way up. The chimney goes right there inside, so it's completely covered, and you can feel in here that the converter is right in this area, so all the heat and smoke will come up through here, and there's no gap in there, just so you know, and it will go all the way up, and that's where the smoke will come out after it's been through the converter and on the wood burning unit. So it's on the wood burning unit, and is installed. I use that metal iron there, angle iron, to get it to stay on. All right.